Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. You guys, I am excited today, guys, because I keep telling you that I'm gonna show you guys my house. No, actually, no, not the house tour, because you guys already know my living room. Nothing has changed, but I need to show you guys my bedrooms. Remember, since we got them remodeled, you guys, I haven't shown you guys. So today I'm gonna show you guys the baby's closet and everything else, guys. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, before we start, I want to show you guys the outfit of the day. Yo, you guys look, I'm wearing this cute dress. Look at my belly, guys. Ding, 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 ding. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah. So, that's my belly, guys. I woke up like this, guys. So, let's go. I show you guys upstairs. Okay guys, we're gonna start from down here. We're gonna start from down here, guys. Yo, it has been weird, guys. Like, we still be getting some snow, as you can see, guys. But it's melting. Hopefully no more snow, but I think we still have more snow coming. Anyway, there's nothing we can do, so we're gonna go upstairs, guys. Look, I had these two ladies. They're today, guys, they came home and cleaned. They did like deep cleaning the house, guys. So the carpet is clean. They did the windows, guys. They did the windows, guys. So let me turn on the lights so we can go upstairs. We don't, those lights are not even doing anything. But guys, yeah, we have these mirrors here. This cute mirror. And then we're just gonna keep going upstairs, guys. We're almost there. We are almost there, guys. Okay. So, welcome home. I don't know why this thing is up here. It should be downstairs, so when visitors come, they will just get welcomed. Anyway, so guys, I don't know where I should start. Maybe I should go ahead and start from the small bedroom, guys, and then I'll come to the bigger bedroom. So yeah, this is my laundry room, guys. I know you all know it. So I'm gonna show you guys the floor. I hope you guys remember how the floor used to look like. It was like with the carpet. So no more carpet, guys. We have wooden floor. You guys, they cleaned the house today, guys. And I know some of you guys might be wondering why there are those mats on top of the small carpet. Is because of Milo, my dog. I have a dog, and when he sees those, he goes and he uses them like a bathroom. So that's his bathroom right there. He goes there, do whatever he does, and then we change and we put the clean ones. But anyway, yeah. So this is the small bedroom, guys, which we already have a bed in it. So definitely you can tell there's no space for the baby's bed. So I'll show you guys where we are going to put the baby's bed. But anyway, so I want to show you, but still, this is his bedroom. When he grows up, it's gonna be his bedroom till we get a bigger house. That's the plan, of course. We're planning to get a bigger house, but for now this is his bedroom stroke visitor's bedroom. So if you come visit, this is gonna be your bedroom, guys. And I want to show you guys the baby's closet, guys. The reason why I'm laughing about this closet, guys, is because I thought I had a lot of clothes, the baby clothes, but you know, they're so small. So when I washed and put them away, guys, and I feels like he has nothing, y'all. So this is his closet right here. His clothes, guys. That's his clothes, guys. Look. And I'm gonna go show you guys more. I think I have more stuff on the other side. So he has, you see, he has some blankets. That's his blankets, guys, and he has some towels. Yeah, towels and clothes. Oh, and we have diapers. You can see diapers and wipes. Yeah, yep. It's detergent in there, guys. yeah, so this is his closet, guys. Look, oh my baby. But I mean, it's okay for him not to have too many clothes, because you know he's still growing. That means he's gonna grow out of them, so it's better for him to have few before we buy more. Anyway, guys, so here you can go through here, and the first thing you're gonna see is the bathroom, guys. This is the bath. Let me turn on the lights for you guys so I can. Anyway, anyway, guys, so the next place we are going to do, guys, they did clean the bathroom. You can tell. Look how the floor looks, guys. The floor looks, oh my god, it's so clean, guys. It's so clean. You can tell they did a good job, guys. They did a good job right there, guys. Oh my goodness, guys, look. And you guys, I know you guys have seen my bathroom, because you know how much I talk about it. Yeah. Anyway, guys, so the next place we are gonna go is going to be the bigger bedroom. So the bigger bedroom, guys, I don't know if it's well made, but yes, let's go to the bigger bedroom. I'm gonna close here. Oh my god, yeah, let me close here. And then we go to the bigger bedroom. That's the bigger bedroom. Don't worry about how it's made. But yeah, so look at the floor. Yeah, look at the floor, guys. They clean the floor. They did clean the floor, guys. And this is the king bed for mommy, for parents. Yeah, that's the bigger bedroom, guys. And here that's the baby dresser, guys. I think we might need a bigger one, but for now that's his dresser, guys. And his diaper pail, guys. There it goes. I don't know where to put it. For now, it's just right there, guys. And there's a TV there. And I want to show you guys what we have here. This is what I want to show you. Anyway, look at this basket. You remember this one? I got it from my friend. I love it. So this is where I put my baby's diapers. They're ready for him. So yeah, they're ready for him. And we got some other stuff here, guys, like baby shampoo, there's baby shampoo, yeah. And then we have creamer, some stuff for the baby. And so let's open and see what we have in here. You see he has enough face towels, guys. Yeah, he has some face towels, and he has, what are those? He has socks, guys. He has socks and wipes. I'm gonna be putting the things that are like we first gonna use here. So like the wipes and the diapers. And then if we go down here, guys, we have more stuff for the baby. Look at this. This is so cute. Look at the brush, guys. Look at this brush. Oh, my baby has a brush. Most of these things, guys, I've already shown you, but you see how I thought I had a lot of stuff, but when you fold, because they are so tiny, it's like you have nothing. Like and what we have here. You guys, look at his pants. Those are his pants, guys. But anyway, I don't want no more clothes for him, especially for him being an infant, because he's gonna grow. So that's enough for him right now. And you guys, that's his bed for now. I have another bed coming. It's a bigger bed, but I was thinking, so this one might go downstairs. Anyway, but for now, this is what you're gonna start with for being like a small baby. I'm gonna move it. I'm gonna turn it around and put it closer to me, so I can be able to feed him at night and all that, so we can be able to spend time together, guys. So yeah, that's his bed. And I don't know if my closet is well. It looks good for me to show you guys, but let's see what we have here. Oh, actually it doesn't look that bad. it does not look that bad, but yeah, that's my walk-in closet, guys. There you go, there you go. So if you all remember, I had some clothes put, actually I did my old clothes, most of my clothes, guys, I put them in a box and in some boxes, and when I get money I'm gonna ship them back home for my friends and family. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, put that thumbs up, guys, share the video, and if you have any advice I will take it, guys. Thank you, bye.